Hey people, well, since we paid a visit to the 1977 K-223 with its box, I thought I'd revisit the other two first-gen K-223s. Starting off with the fan that started my entire collection. This is my 1975 model K-223-W. I know what some of y'all are going to say. Oh, we revisited this fan so many times. Yeah, well, I don't care. I mean, it's my channel. I do what I want. If Tori the Fan Man can revisit his fan so many times, I can do the same. And yes, I know, we revisited it not too long ago. Well, that's when it got its new cord. But we're revisiting this one just because we saw the one from 1977 for the first time. So we'll have an overall look at this again and we'll fire it up. Yeah, as you can see, it's that lighter shade of blue. It's probably kind of in between that of my 75 K-23-W and the 77 K-223. Now the other side. Back. And this is the one that has the Westinghouse motor, hence the W suffix, even though Kmart never put the W suffix on their boxes, but we do. And the day code is L75, which I believe is for November of 75. And this is one of 3 Lakewoods I have with the Westinghouse motor. This was the first one I got, followed by the S223-W and then the K-23-W. And I'll turn back around. There's the top. Yeah, it's got a bit of scratches and dings here and there. And there's the good old solid blue Kmart sticker. And this also has some surface rust on the bottom. You can't see it very well here, but you can almost see it. It's not that bad to me. Anyway, we'll run it again. Oh, and I'll get a shot of the new cord again. I just recently replaced that because its original one was shorting out. Thanks to my uncle, it has a new cord again. Anyway, here it is running again. Here's high. This one where the speeds run higher. High is shown here runs like super. The medium runs like a normal high and low runs like medium. And down the medium, which runs like high normal would. And low, which runs like medium. This is, I believe, is one of 2 Lakewood plastic blade boxers that run that way. The other being my 74 P-223, the one in terracotta. Anyway, back to high. And as always, O-double-F spells off. Blades are a bit out of balance, that's why it's still... Now it's stopped. Anyway, this is the revisit to my 75 Kmart by Lakewood model K-223-W. Thank you for watching.